Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Exodus wallet to bank account. So to do this it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is go to your Exodus, and then from Exodus you will have to go to Bitcoin. You will have to press send right here and then enter your amount. So let's just say we're going to send 0.011 and then you enter it. So basically you have to paste the address right here. So all we have to do is go to Binance. Then we're going to search for BTC. And then we're going to use the Bitcoin network. We copy our deposit address, we go back to Exodus, and then we paste it right here. And then once you have sent it, so once you have sent your Bitcoin to Binance, all you have to do from now is actually go to transfer spot to funding. And then once it's there, your Bitcoin is here in funding, go to P2P, and then go to sell, and then select your payment method, which is going to be your bank account. So do bank transfer, confirm, and then just sell. It's just that simple. Enter the amount again and you're done. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.